Prime Alliance is really focusing to the future. Nowadays, the smart metering is really mature. It's really something already established, deployed on the field, and the targets are new applications. And these new applications come from different perspectives. Nowadays, in this year, we have been really focused on one side on BPL technology and broadband power line technology, on the other side enabling communications beyond the possibilities of the communications of the powers, of the communication through the powers. Actually, radio frequency is a good starting point. The grid has to be fully automated, and automating the low voltage network is huge. It's a huge challenge because at the end is the biggest part of the network, and this automation comes from enabling communications to every point of the network, to the low voltage grid, and power line is a natural way to provide this communication. On one side, we are focusing on with the already existing Prime 1.4 to enable this application, but we, from a realistic point of view, we know that the challenge here for distributed generation, integrating the electric vehicle control, will require further communication capabilities than the one that are provided nowadays with narrowband communication. Will require high bandwidth, lower latency, and will require even higher reliability. And for that, we from the Prime Alliance, we believe actually that going further the 500 kilohertz bandwidth to a broader spectrum will actually enable these many applications related to the automation and to the smart grid of the future. Yeah, this relationship is mainly related to enabling further applications, because we have come into a position in which the power line communications has enabled this advanced metro infrastructure. Has also we foresee this automation of the low voltage network, but there are many applications in which we believe that the RF technologies can coexist with the power line communications and work together. Actually, one of them is clearly a backup channel. We strongly believe that there are many situations in which the requirement of an even higher coverage, virtually a 100% coverage, if you overlap the coverage of a power line network with the RF network, which both of them with nearly 100% coverage, 98–99% coverage, you can overlap to them and virtually have 100% coverage. But not only enabling this backup system, but also enabling other applications, like, for example, the in-home display that naturally can come in with an RF technology, and this communication, or even other kind of meters like gas meter, water meter, in which maybe providing the electricity supply is not desirable.